Hello, folks. Welcome back to the Trendsetters, the channel that brings you the trendiest insights in the world of crypto trading. If you're new here, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the like, and share the love with your fellow traders. Now, let's dive right into it. Today, as always, we'll be setting our sights on Algorand, a promising player in the decentralized finance world. But before we get into that, let's quickly set the stage with a broader look at the crypto market. And today, the market cap is coming in at $1.17 trillion, up at about 0.17%. The volume is down 17%. That's a lot. Actually, first time I'm noticing. It's pretty surprising. At around, and the Bitcoin dominance is coming around 48%. Ethereum at around 18% or 19, almost 19. Gas at around 13 way. And for our crypto rankings, Bitcoin still at number one, around 29,400. Ethereum is second, coming in around $1,800. BNB fourth on the list, coming in at $240. XRP at 0.63. Dogecoin at 0.07 cents. Cardano at 0.2. Solana at $24.5. Tron at 0.07. We have Shiba Inu 0.0001 cents. Polygon 0.68. Litecoin at 83. Polkadot at $5. DAI at 0.9. Now we have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and all our favorite top 50 coins. So now we can move on to looking at today's top gainers and losers, and then we'll look into the weekly gainers and losers. Now let's go right into it. So today's top gainers, Shiba Inu did a gain of 9%. Should a shout out again. I don't know. But damn, these guys are doing great. ApeCoin pumping again. NFTs are back. That's for sure. Pepe up at 7%. Fracture 4%. Bone 4%. Kind of surprised it's not up as much. Maybe that's a potential trade. Not financial bug, guys. Just saying. Next, we have Toncoin. Actually heard about it. Should do a bit more research. Going up at around 4%. Thorchain 4%. Arweave. It's been a while since I've heard about Arweave. It's $5 and it's gone up by around 3% last 24 hours. Well, I haven't looked at the full chart, but this looks nice. Dogecoin is pumping 2%. Hidden Network at 1.2%. Gala. And these are all just around 1% gains. Now we'll look into today's top losers. XDC Network down around 3. Rocket Pool down around 2.5%. Optimism down around 2.26%. Maker down 2%. Carved Out token down around 2%. Nexo coin down around 1.5%. I would be really careful with anything with Nexo. With all the securities and etc. coming in, it's going to be very interesting. If we can actually get, if Nexo actually keeps their business going, I would love them for them to keep going and working for the world of crypto, but you never know. Anyways, moving on. Next, we have Synthetics. Yeah, I got that right, around 1.5% loss. Injective token, one of my favorites, down around 1%. Chainlink 1%. And these are all less than 1%, guys, so I'm just going to escape. So next, we're going to take a look into our weekly. Hey guys, welcome back. Just looking at the top gainers for the weekly. For Chain, been on a tear lately, up at around 21% for the week. Pepe, it has been going pretty crazy. Looking at this chart, well, it's taking off again, 17%, and rising, it seems. Shiba Inu, 15% for the week. ApeCoin up 11%. This season again, guys. Wow. All right. Hedera hash graph, H bar up around 9%. Toncoin up at around 8%. Basic attention token. Hey, I hold a little bit of bat. All the bat holders. Finally, we get some pump, eh? Solana up at around 7%. Aptos around 7%. Mina token around 7 again. Algorand pumping. Finally, up around 6.5%, 7%. OKB around 6%. Wow, even Dash is pumping around 6% as well. UIDX is around up 6%. X Infinity gaming utility token around 5%. Woo Network, it's in the top 100. That is so interesting. And around 4%. Kind of curious what this Woo Network is. Let's take a look, guys. Just a prompt to look into it. Woo Network. What do we have here? Quick news about Woo. Woo's network, deep liquidity network, action traders, DeFi platforms. Very curious about this. The deep liquidity network connecting traders. But anyways, going back to our list, Arweave going up a little bit, around 4%. Gala up around 4%. Sui up around 4%. Chainlink around 3%. What else do we have here? Uniswap up around 3%. Render has been really consolidating after all its pump. So I would be careful of Render for now. Just let it cool down a little and maybe go. But I haven't done a deep enough research into it. That's my really top level view. Render, Synthetic, Phantom, and all the rest coming in around 1%. But I think that will conclude us looking at the weekly and daily chart. Sorry, not charts, but rather the percentage gain and losses. All right, I guess now it's time to delve right into the charts, and we'll be analyzing Algo USD on the daily time frame for Binance, and then we'll look into around the 3 days, and then go around for 16 hours, 8 hours, 4 and 1 hour. We'll see how this goes. So guys, let's go right into the charts. Hello and welcome back to charts section of our video today. We have Algo USD, ALGO ticker for Algorand. Nothing much has really been going on. Charts. We go to the daily. Still consolidating at around that same price range that we had talked about in our last week video. But this is pretty good that it's actually kind of stabilizing around this range, this area. I like that it's kind of closing in. I'm not sure if this is like a breakout. Maybe we could look at it as a breakout. At least it's a breakout on this triangle. Wait, if we take this, you see we consolidated above and then we popped out. Might come back around here. Sorry, I'll get rid of this. Anyways, I was just getting a little carried away. What I think is still in play, as we said before. I'm not sure. But I said we kind of like habit from listening to all the YouTubers. Some of them like there's just the one person there, but I'm still saying we. I don't know if I want to adopt that or if I want to keep saying one me because I'm the only one who's working right now on this. Maybe the channel will grow. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, guys. Thanks for watching. But anyways, getting back to the video again. So I think what we have to take a look at is if this goes and pumps. I want to take a look at how it reacts to the 50-day moving average, EMA, exponential moving average, and we would want to have a look out for this breakdown over here. Although right now our long-term view for the Elliott waves are kind of pointing for an A wave break, and so far it seems like we are holding that. If I want to take a look at the VRVP number for this, I guess we can look at the full setup, and then we can kind of close in to see how it's looking right closer into the month of August, maybe closer into the week, but we'll see. So let's bring out the volume profile. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but that was my cat. There's in the background. He's kind of making some noises. Anyway, so here we are, guys. It seems we're still below the point of control over here, and we're accumulating a long time frame on the daily. And as we can see in our stochastic RSI, currently it is showing signs of topping out, but there is a chance that it still goes up a little bit more, although I doubt it. It's sort of as high as it can get, but you would want to watch out for this turnaround. You want to take a look at it because it seems like the setup is close to that. So let's take a look at what happened when it was around there and how it interacted with our EMA setups as we have here. So this was a breakout. Came over here. That looks like a very similar setup. Then we went over. We stayed up. So this could be in play as well. So let's go closer. Let's take a look at the volume. If we place it right there, I guess that's anyway. Sorry, guys. I'm a little bit all over the place. Not really, but let's take a look at the RSI. The RSI is looking good. No wonder the setup is positive. But still, doesn't mean that long term the fifth wave is not going to happen. I don't think that has been confirmed yet. Let's see how it goes. MACD is looking okay. So we'll say for the day, indicators are doing okay. Maybe neutral to maybe very slightly bullish. So it might make a break to this 50 day and then maybe do another little test. Might even come maximum around here. And I do not expect that to happen, but maybe you never know. But I would expect maximum reaching over here before it breaks down and goes all the way back to at around 0.075 cents. And the reason that I say that is I go back down to the 16 hours and we get our 5-wave count for the current move. We'll take out the VRVP, although these counts are always changing with how things unfold, but we cannot really we cannot see the future. So, but that's why we always have to have the ability to be able to adjust as the market adjusts. So doing the best possible research we can do. So this is on the 16-hour. We can see that if we have, this is our fifth wave. That's kind of on the play that we've been talking about. And on the 16 hours, which is a slower time frame, which reacts slower, is predicting that we have completed our 5-wave. Now we are our way back to getting back to the neutral zone. Neutral zone that we had talked about last week. I'll bring that image back again just to freshen up our memories a little. And here we go. So here we see trap setup, M formation, and the jump, and then we see the A, B, possibly the A and the B forming, and then once we break out of this C, we could be forming the C around here. And come back and retest the parallel channel rate over at around 0.16 cents, 0.158 cents, and then get back up and above around to around 0.3 cents, 0.29 cents. So that's still how I'm currently looking into how Algorand would play out. I am just making some close finer adjustments to see how, if we are going to go down a little bit lower, or are we already on our way back to the neutral zone that I've been calling it so far. Looking at the 8 hours, this is why I've been saying that there's still a possibility, because on the 8 hours we can see that there's a chance of a fifth wave low, and when we did the measured move for this triangle, taking the peak of this, the bottom, here we can see that the target is coming in for exactly our daily wave, fifth wave. If we take the biggest peak here, we should get around close to there. So that's what I'm looking for in Algorand so far. We'll take a look at the 3-day chart just to get a broader picture before we wrap up for today. It will be a bit shorter, but I think that's better. So let's go to 3-day chart. See if we're still looking good on our long-term thesis. So on the 3-day chart, we are printing the fifth wave low, but as I said, the lower time frames are always a faster reacting time frame, and this can always adjust, as this fifth wave was pointing to this earlier, but with this move now, the fifth wave has moved over here, so it is always very risky because it was a huge fake out that way, right? This is what we are looking out for and hoping for an A wave ABC correction to take us back all the way to around 45 cents to 27 cents at least. So I think we'll leave it here for today. And it's going to be all of our analysis for Algorand today. Remember, crypto market is volatile. Things can change rapidly. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for tuning in to Trendsetters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Make sure you turn on notifications so you never miss a beat in the crypto market. Until next time, stay tuned.